Hey there, welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn in this digital era and become successful. It's your girl Joy.
And I am Betty. Today we're diving into the dynamic world of social media marketing.
That's right. In this episode, we will discuss why social media marketing is very important for businesses today, the career opportunities available, and how you can become a social media expert with the training available here at Bismarck Technologies.
Now, why is social media marketing important? Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to help connect to their target audience. With billions of active users on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, it is a perfect place to build brand awareness and connect to target audience.
Exactly. Social media marketing helps businesses to reach a wider audience, drive traffic to their websites, and ultimately increase sales. It is an essential component of any modern marketing strategy.
Benefits of learning social media marketing. Learning social media marketing allows you to master the art of communication online. You will learn how to run effective ad campaigns, create engaging posts, and analyze performance metrics. Yes.
Social media marketing is a skill that is in high demand globally, and companies are always on the lookout for social media experts who can help them to grow their businesses online with engaging customers.
Plus, it is a versatile skill. Whether you want to work for a company, freelance, or manage your own brand, social media marketing opens you up to many opportunities.
How to learn social media marketing at Bismarck Technologies. Here at Bismarck Technologies, we offer a comprehensive course on social media marketing that covers everything from the basics to advanced strategies.
You will learn about different social media platforms, audience engagement, analytics, and advertising strategies. Our hands-on approach ensures you can apply what you learn in the real-world scenarios.
By the end of the course, you will have the skills to create effective social media campaigns and manage accounts confidently.
Career and job opportunities with social media marketing skills. With social media marketing skills, you can venture into diverse career paths, either as a social media manager, a content creator, a digital marketing specialist, or a brand strategist.
There are also opportunities to work as a freelance social media consultant, helping businesses to grow their online presence in a flexible schedule.
Opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. In Nigeria, as more businesses continue to adapt digital marketing, the demand for social media marketers is increasing. Companies, startups, and brands are looking for professionals to help them enhance their presence online.
Internationally, social media marketing is a sought-after skill. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work with clients worldwide while enjoying the flexibility of remote work.
And why should someone learn social media marketing? Learning social media marketing empowers you to change a brand narrative, yes, connect with diverse audience, and drive meaningful engagement. It is a way to be creative while driving meaningful impact.
And with Bismarck Technologies' practical hands-on training, you will live with the knowledge and confidence needed to thrive in this ever-evolving field of social media marketing. Whether you're a business owner or looking to kickstart a career in social media marketing, this skill is a great choice. If you're ready to harness the power of social media marketing to boost your career prospects, check out Bismarck Technologies social media training. This could be your gateway to a rewarding career in the digital space.
Thanks for joining us in today's episode. Remember, each skill we cover in this series is key to unlocking job opportunities in 2025 and beyond. See you in the next episode. Bye.